the delay in naming the 7 members of the team, and up to now, note that they have not named the co-chair, leaving us at a loss as to whom to engage. As a further demonstration of our commitment, we hereby announce as follows. 1. We have prepared a draft framework of engagement to guide the process and await to engage on the same with our counterparts. 2. We have appointed the following as assisting counsel. First, Professor Makau Mutua, and second, Honorable Jeremiah Kioni. 3. We have appointed Advocate Paul Mwangi to act as Joint Secretary. We note that our counterparts have named Honorable Adam Kainan as part of their team. Honorable Kainan is a member of Azimio. The issue of party discipline is one of the 4 cardinal issues on the table, and his inclusion is in bad faith, unlawful, and intended to delay the process. We therefore request our counterparts to reconsider and replace Honorable Kainan so that we can move with speed. This is an extra-parliamentary process initiated by the principles of Kenya Kwanza and Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance. We urge our counterparts to accept the text and spirit of the Constitution of public participation, consultation, and inclusivity in such processes, signed by the team of the Azimio bipartisan dialogue team. And the statement will be shared to you and with you.